Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how easy it is to find the running total or the cumulative sum of the given data using the over clause. Okay, so let's just see what data that we have. We have a salaries table wherein we have employer ID, employer name, gender, department and salary, and I have already populated it with some test data. So let us see how our table looks. I'll select all the rows using the asterisk and I'll see our table. So this is how a table looks: employer ID, employer name, gender, department and salary. Now what is basically cumulative sum, or some people also like to call it as running total? What is it? So we have 20,000 as our first salary. The cumulative sum for the second row will be 20,000 plus 15,000. The cumulative sum for the next subsequent row will be 20,000 plus 15,000 plus 10,000. So you're noticing we are adding the subsequent rows and getting the cumulative sums. So for 15,000, you guessed it right, the salary will be, cumulative sum will be 20,000 plus 15,000 plus 10,000 plus 15,000, right? So now let us understand this by writing our SQL query for that. What we'll do is, first let me just show you the syntax of how you calculate cumulative sum. It is pretty simple. So if you see, we'll use an aggregate function called sum first. Okay, then in the sum we have one parameter wherein we'll be mentioning the column that we are calculating. So here, as we are taking the cumulative sum of salary, our column name should be the salary. Then we'll have our over keyword, and after that we are going to order this by the column names. Okay, why do we use order by? It is basically used to sort our data in ascending or descending order. So by default it's sorts the data in ascending order, but if you want descending order, you can just use the keyword DESC. This will order your data, this will sort your data in descending order, right? Now I want to see the cumulative sum of this salary column. Okay, how we will write that? We'll select I want to select all the rows, select star. um, let us start with a syntax. What is sum? Okay, I want to calculate salary, so I'll write the salary here. Then we'll use our over clause, and then we are going to order this by employee ID, and then we are going to name this as uh, running. Okay, let's name this as cumulative, right? And then we are writing from our table name, that is salaries, right? So let us run this and let's see what we get. Now if you see, we have got our cumulative sum. So 20,000, our first row gives us 20,000. The next row gives us 20,000 plus 15,000, which is 35,000. Then we have 35,000 plus 10,000, which is 45,000, and so on. So this will give us the cumulative sum, right? You just need to follow a simple syntax and you'll get the answer. Now here I want to talk about what if I would have ordered this by salary only. Okay, we are going to land up in a problem here, so I'll show you what that problem is. If we are going to order this by salary, okay, do you notice there's some problem with our sum? First we have 10,000, then 10,000 plus 15,000 should be 35,000. Why is it showing us 40,000? And then after that it should be something else. Again it is showing us 40,000. That is the same from the above that we had. So if you notice, let me just show you the difference. I'll select employer ID This is, we'll order this by employer ID, and I'll show you when we'll order this by salary. Okay, let us run this. So if you notice, it should be 20,000 here, but we are getting 10,000 here. Then it should be having 20,000 plus 35,000, 20,000 plus 15,000, that is 35,000, but we are getting 40,000 here. So let me tell you where the problem is. We are never going to order columns which might have duplicate values. So if you see, we have in the salaries column, we have 20,000, 15,000, 10,000, then we again have 15,000, and then we again have 20,000. So what happens is that when the columns are repeated, so the cumulative salary gets disturbed. We are not able to get the right answer for that, because it keeps on adding that column, the duplicate values, without showing it in the cumulative sum, right? So we will never order uh, by columns which can have duplicate values when we are using the cumulative function, right? So we'll remove this, and we have our result, which we have our correct result, that is the cumulative sum. I hope this is clear. So looking forward to see you guys in the upcoming sessions.